What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you may have read in the title, I will be showing you guys my full trim routine. I am starting with freshly shampooed, deep conditioned and blown out hair, guys. As you can see, I am due for a trim here. My ends are kind of looking crazy. I'll be using shears to cut my hair and also a wide tooth comb to detangle. I'm going to be starting off by sectioning off my hair so that I can start pulling out the twists one by one. I usually put my hair in twists when I trim my hair. It just makes everything easier for me. So before I get into this video, guys, I just want to list off some of the benefits of trimming your hair. So number one, it helps to maintain the health of your ends. Number two, it helps minimize hair breakage. Number three, it makes styling much easier. Number four, it will make your hair look healthier and thicker from root to tip. Number five, it minimizes split ends and single strand knots. And number six, it helps with length retention. So guys, keeping up with your trims are extremely important. It is a vital step in length retention, so make sure you are keeping up with your trims. So I already trimmed the right side of my head, so I'll be showing you guys on the left side. So I'm going to be starting at the back section here. I'm going to start unraveling each twist. Yes, look at that twist out. I'm going to use the wide tooth comb to detangle my hair so that I can get like an even cut. You really want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled because you want your hair to be as smooth as possible before you go in to trim. So after I finish detangling, I just use my fingers and kind of like gather all my ends together so that I can cut straight across. So guys, after I cut a section, I will go back in with my comb, detangle my hair to see if my ends are blunt enough, and if they're not, I will go back in with the shears to make sure that my ends are as precise as possible. Because guys, I love me some blunt ends. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for when I do my trims. So yeah, I will continue this around the rest of my head until I am finished. So guys, for my trimming routine, I like to do this every 3 to 4 months. I like to keep up on my ends so that I'm making sure that I'm getting rid of split ends and one strand knots so that they don't travel up the shaft of my hair, because guys, honestly, like split ends and one strand knots are not your friend. Keep up on your trims, guys, because honestly, if you do not trim your hair regularly and make sure that you get rid of those things, they will travel up the hair shaft and cause more damage in the long run, which will result in you having to cut off more than you need to. So guys, when I do my trimmings, I don't necessarily have a specific shape that I go for. I just trim what's needed. And I make sure that my ends are blunt, since I always wear my hair in protective styles and in its curly states. I don't really flat iron my hair anymore. I haven't done so in over 3 years. So yeah, I just cut what's needed, and even if there's a little bit of unevenness, I really don't care. I just want to make sure that my ends are healthy. So now that I'm done the back section of my hair, I'm just literally gonna repeat the same thing for the top section. Guys, can we just appreciate how nice and full my ends look? Like, I love me a blunt cut. Like, so guys, I have now completed my entire head. Look at those ends. Let's get into those ends right now. They look so good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.